Hiya, I'm just going to do another quick example of creating an algorithm using parallel arrays here. So this one going to be another linear search style one. What we're going to do is find all the Olympians with like long names. We'll say, I don't know, with more than 10 characters total in their forename and surname, something like that. And we'll display all their details. So we're going to need their forename, we're going to need their surname, we're going to need the sport because we're going to display that at the end. We're going to do the same as we would normally do. We're just going to loop through them all, find all the ones that have a particularly long name. So just for I in range, and then you can pick any of those arrays. They're all the same length. It doesn't really matter. It would work just as well with surname or sport there. It'll repeat the same number of times, and we're just going to do something like if len of forename at the current position, current index, plus the len of the surname at the current index. Easy to get messed up with brackets and things here. So if those two things added together, let's see if it's greater than 10, then we will display all of their details. That'll do. I mean, we could just as easily be counting up how many there are with names longer than 10, doing a count occurrences style thing. You know, all sorts of things we could do. I can't even be bothered really what am I trying to say, concatenating this in a nice way, but I suppose I better do it. So we'll, you know, as long as we're just referring to I or whatever we've called this loop counter variable here, as long as we're referring to that same index across the arrays, then we're fine. We're getting corresponding information. Let's just, we'll do something like that. And sport I think I've got the brackets right. There we go. Now let's call it. So Olympians with long names. We need to pass in the right order: forename, surname, and sport, because it so happens that our local array names here so happens they correspond with the formal parameters here. But remember, they don't have to. And then let's try running it, see if it actually works. Bang. All those bigger than 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 7, 10, 11, 5, 11. There we go. Okay, hope that helps just for another example. See ya.